Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women purse designs, handbag designs. Most attractive, amazing, colorful collection. You can see same colors combinations also in front of you. I hope you like this collection. Most attractive and most amazing collection. Crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive, stylish. So I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and amazing crochet material like this crochet woman purse and handbag designs and others like crochet women outfit ideas like crochet women, long dresses, short dresses, bodycon dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses, crochet women buncher designs, caplet, cap shawl, circular jacket designs, open jacket designs, and crochet women sweater designs, crochet baby frock designs, crochet baby shoes designs, crochet baby cap designs, romper designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, and in jewelry, crochet women necklace designs, earring designs, bracelet designs, fingering designs, and feet jewelry like anklet designs, baby anklet designs, and many more things also. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, try this collection, enjoy this video. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection.